In this video, I am installing a water hose and a water pipe. This is very difficult to do while on the UTV. The water pipe that I had on there was not the correct one. As you can see, it was homemade manufactured and it leaked when it was on. So I had to take it off and replace it with one that I found from a friend. I had ordered a water pipe from the manufacturer, waited for 3 months, never did arrive, and then they finally said part was no longer available. So if you need this part, good luck trying to find one. Anyway, got this thing on, hope it works. We'll see how it pans out. Anyway, subscribe, give me a like, and thanks for watching. There's a few more a little bit of video to watch yet.